Hello, my name is Mikanjo and this is my ID 6410935. I'm going to explain about the Big Data Analytics Project 1, data ingestion. So this is in the project BDA 2023. According to the instruction, I have to go to download the data source TaxCV, which way I will get the employee record, but which I already downloaded in class. So if I go to ls, I see the files and go to COVID data ls, I see tax-tv. So if I go to cd tax-tv and ls, I see that employee.sql, which we're going to use for this one. So first of all, I want to move this tax DB file to my bucket, and I already created my bucket here. If I go to cloud storage, and this is my bucket. So what I did was I used this command and to move my file tax.tv to my bucket. So if I go to my bucket here, it's already the tax.tv file is already here. And now I go back to my SQL. I have to create the SQL to connect my to the SQL instance to. So here I already created 61093 SQL. And what I did was I copied this command line gcloud SQL connect. So I can do that right here. Control C, Control V. It's going to wait about 1 or 2 minutes. That's in my password. So now I enter to my SQL command. So what I do was I have to source employees because we're gonna use that from here. RC sort employee. Oh sorry, sort my.sql. And it's going to walk in the background. And after that, I have to use these which I did in class. On the second part, first I connected to my SQL instance, right? I add source to employee and use the employee table. In that, I want to show table to see how many tables are there, and this is the query for the SQL, which I want to create employee data set table as in the employees, and I use all the 15 column I want, which is stated by the here. I want to export the employee record. So here I want to explain how I use this code. So I have to combine the tables, right? So I use the employees with title. I combine them with employee numbers, and also for salary I combine them with employee numbers and also the employees. I don't know, like employee numbers, and finally departments, and using this department number. And for some names, I try to format, rename them, and like here, title from date to title from date. Changing the dot to the and also salaries. Also the last one. And this is how I join the table using join. And after this code, I copy paste in here. I don't know, something wrong. It's supposed to work because I already tried that. And after that, um, if I to show tables again, this employee data set table will be in the list. So after that, I have to go to the I have to export it to the CSV file. So I want to go to the, I think SQL, no, I think Google Storage Bucket. Where do I go? So this one is the one I exported. Oh wait, so I should be going to SQL and go there. So here I click the export and I change it to CSV format, and I want to export everything from the employee data set. So copy paste here, and I want to export it in my bucket. So this is my destination. I already exported here, employee data set. So this is just to show the progress. So if I select here, it will be exported here. So this is how I export it as a CSV file. So we finally exported the CSV file. So just have to go to the BigQuery. Go to the BigQuery. And then here, enter my okay here, and if I go under here, I will see my employee. So this is because I already imported. So what I did was I click on add and I go to Google Cloud Storage because I want to import from my backend, and I browse it here and go down here 610935, and I export this one. So if I select this, it will be CSV file, and I already choose my ID name and I give it like employee like that, and also auto detect. And did I do sub conditioner? I don't remember, but I did create, and then I got this. So employee. So this is the 15 variable field is here, but in the field name. So I go to the query. Actually, I saved the query already. Oh yeah, this is here. So sorry, go back to the query. So now I want to see the table with the 15 fields. So this is what I did. So I remember what I said that when we have the schema, this name have to be renamed to what we want to see at the title. So I changed all the names, and I limit to 10,000 lines. If I run this, so now I can see that. So this is the row: employee number, birth date, first name, last name, gender, all the 15 fields. I can see it now as a table. So let me explain this this BigQuery line. So is it actually more simple than the one I did for the SQL? It's just renaming selecting all the 15 variables, and I rename them to each related name to the employee, and I then limit to 1,000 line, and then export it. So this is the final result. Let me go to the employee table and go to details, table ID with my name, and then sorry info, number of row. This is shows that is the import is successful. So this is the end of my presentation, and after that I will delete my SQL instead. I'll delete this one.